Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're making bread and butter pudding. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Before you start, preheat the oven to 190 degrees. Mix together the sugar and cinnamon in a bowl, set to one side. Generously butter the bread slices and cut them in half. In a lightly greased oven dish, place a layer of bread. Now dust with a layer of cinnamon sugar and a handful of sultanas. Follow with another layer of bread, cinnamon and sultanas. Repeat until you run out of bread. Finish with a light dusting of sugar on top for a crispy crust. Meanwhile, whisk together the milk and eggs. Slowly pour this mixture over the pudding. It may look like too much liquid, but give the pudding around 10 minutes to fully absorb the liquid. Bake it in the oven for around 40 minutes until the pudding is set and browned. Enjoy this pudding while it's hot with heaps of custard. This is sure to take you back to your childhood. It's delicious. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.